It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Play this up. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Okay, let's start with Barry in New Jersey. Barry.
Hey, Jim. You know I love what you do at CNBC.
Thank you, Barry.
Yeah, how has your week been?
Not bad. Not bad. How about you?
Yeah, well, I was down at Winberry's in Summit with my brother-in-law, and we were talking about Monday Night Football, and I really hope your hometown Eagles beat Taylor and the Swifty Chiefs in KC on Monday.
Well, you know, I would have bought you bloody if I knew you were in town, but it's just the first I heard of it. So how can we help? How can I help?
Well, I'm calling in tonight because I'd like your opinion on a company. They've received investments of $215 million from Stellantis, Boeing, and United Airlines, and they're in the field of commercialization of flying cars. Archer Aviation.
Okay, Barry, this one's way too speculative for me. It's going to have to be on your dime. I would rather do daily fantasy with the Baltimore and the Cincinnati than that one. I'm sorry, but that one's a little bit more investable as a DFS there. Let's go to Nancy in Wisconsin. Nancy.
Booyah, Jim. Long-time listener here.
Oh,
I just wanted your opinion. Wanted your opinion of the solar stocks, particularly Solaredge. Is it time for these?
This thing's come down a lot. It's come down a lot, but you know what? I've been staying away from the solar stocks, and I haven't heard anybody in them, and I feel good about that. Let's go to JJ in New York. JJ.
Hey, Cramer.
What's up, JJ?
I have a real estate investment trust. 20% is short interest, and they've made the increases in the dividends in 11 out of the last 13 quarters. Arbor Realty, a symbol ABR.
Okay, so I thought you were going to say it, and here's the problem. I don't know what they own. And for all I know, they own bad real estate and they're doing whatever I don't know. I mean, it's just too hard. There's these mezzanine financing is where I'm very worried. So I'm going to have to say hard pass. Hard pass on that. Let's go to Kitty in California. Kitty.
Hey, Val.
Whoa.
I've been listening to you and watching you for 25 years. And when I first started watching you, I had no idea what you were talking about. But I loved the production value. Well, I love the production value. I loved all the bells and.
Well, that's Regina Gilman. She's the best. Thank you.
But anyway, okay, question. I was visiting my daughter last weekend in L.A. I live in Ojai, which is a suburb of.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Anyway. Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm great. Actually, I don't call it Ojai. I call it Oz because it's so magical. But anyway, I was visiting my daughter and my granddaughters last weekend.
Okay.
And my daughter took me aside and said, guess what? Carly is obsessed with race car driving. Now, Carly is my 16-year-old bookworm. What do you call it? When you like to read books. Bookworm Eagle Scout, okay? She is obsessed with race car driving.
Fabulous. So then she should be watching Sarah Eisen tonight. Especially, we got the Formula One there. 8 o'clock. But go ahead. What else?
Well,
What you do?
I know. I've been watching all week. And so then I called my daughter and I said, is it Formula One? And she said, yes.
Okay.
So anyway, she said she and all of her friends are obsessed. So if she's obsessed and all of her friends go to camp in Texas and they're all
good.
obsessed.
Let's wrap it up, Kitty. What do we got? What's the stock?
Okay, I want to know the best way to play it. What about Liberty Media? Is that the way?
Yes! Joseph in New York, Joseph. Oh, Jersey. Joseph's in Jersey. Joseph. Oh, no.
Hey,
Joseph.
Cramer.
Yeah, buddy, what's up?
How are you today?
Couldn't be better. How about you?
Good. I'm calling today to get your thought on the future of SQ Block.
Look, I think that they had a good quarter. My problem with it is that I like the Mastercards and the Visas now. We're getting away from the crazy fintechs of old. We like the fintechs of new. Oh, look, I hit this thing and it says I'm fine. I'm okay. Am I okay? I don't know. It says I'm okay. I have to say I'm okay, or it'll do it like Tim Cook will get a call or something. Let's go to Teresa in Minnesota. Teresa.
Jim, I bought Phillip Morris in the 90s when it was dirt cheap.
Okay.
I'm addicted to the dividend, but I'm not happy with the company. What should I do?
Well, then you sell it. I don't recommend tobacco stocks. Even though there's a guy who runs a company, he's a smart guy, but I'm not in the tobacco game. That's a bad business. That's bad business. I want to go to Kelly. This is a never-ending lightning round. There's like 4 lightning rounds. We're going to cut them. We're going to show them all weekend. How about Kelly in Texas? Kelly.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing this evening?
I'm doing well. It's the longest lightning round in history. Congratulations. Remember.
Yes, sir. I need to let you know I just joined the club. I appreciate the staff and you doing all the job y'all do.
Thank you. Thank Jeff, too. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Just initiated a new position with BDX. And
well, look, if you bought it after that big shortfall, I think you'll be fine. The company's very reactive, and it will fix the situation. And so I think you'll be okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, from summit to endless summer, Cramer reveals a roster of stocks that could be poised to profit. Next.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.